How to make tabs appear on the left side vertical Chrome in under 2 minutes. You can turn those tiny tabs into a clean vertical list where you can actually read every title. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. First, open Google Chrome. Then click the plus button at the top to open a new tab. Now click the address bar at the top, type google.com and press enter. Now, in the Google search box, type Chrome Web Store. Then press enter. From the results, click the official Chrome Web Store website. This is where we'll get the extension, so make sure you're on the official Google Chrome Web Store. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, click the search box near the top left. Now type vertical tabs in side panel. Then press enter. Look through the results and click the extension called Vertical Tabs in side panel. Once the extension page opens, look on the right side for the blue Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will pop up. Review the permissions, then click Add Extension. Give it a few seconds to finish installing. Once the extension is installed, look at the top right corner of Chrome. Click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. From the list, find Vertical Tabs inside panel and click it. And this is where the change happens. A panel will open on the right side, showing all of your open tabs in a vertical list. Now you can see the full title of each tab instead of trying to read tiny text across the top. To jump to a page, simply click any tab in the list. If you've got 20, 30, or even more tabs open, just scroll through the panel to find exactly what you're looking for. No more hunting through a cramped row of tiny tabs. If you want the vertical tab list to stay visible, you can pin or keep the panel open using the options provided by the extension. And whenever you don't need it, you can simply close the panel. And that's it. You've turned your cluttered Chrome tabs into a clean, easy-to-read vertical list. Now you can quickly find the page you're looking for without squinting at tiny tab titles. If this made managing your Chrome tabs easier, subscribe for more quick and useful computer tutorials that can save you time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.